Little yellow duck goes quack, 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 waddling forward, waddling back. Tiny wings and feet so small, he's the cutest duck of all. Morning sun says, wake up, friend. Off to the pond his steps do bend. Splashy water, cool and blue, duck jumps in and swims right through. Swim, swim, splash around, ripples dancing all around. Fish say hello, frogs say hi, dragonflies go buzzing by. Quack, 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 he loves to sing, shake his tail and flap his wing, laughing loud and having fun, playing till the day is done. When the sky turns pink at night, stars come out, the moon shines bright. Little yellow duck feels snug, goes to sleep with a cozy hug.